Hi, I am Jeffin. I am a CMA USA and an MBA student. When I was on job search, I came across 3 basic requirements in most of the companies that a candidate must have, and they were SAP, IFRS and Advanced Excel. Actually, I was not much aware of this earlier, and then on I started to search more about this. Randomly, I came across DCA Technologies and I contacted them. They had a friendly approach and they provided me with deep knowledge about the courses. And I went for DIA, Diploma in International Accounting, and it had 3 certificate courses. They were SAP, IFRS and Advanced Excel. The faculties and the classes were super cool, and each and every small information was explained very well. Overall, I had an excellent experience and I recommend DCA Technologies for others. Thank you.